Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. Nobody speak to me. Nobody speak to me. Let's go to the movie. Let's go to the movie. I told him to come. I told him to come. I know what to do. I know what to do. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. I am able to swim. I am able to swim. Beware of dog. Beware of dog. Give it to her. Give it to her. You may take the book. You may take the book. The train has arrived. The train has arrived. Tom and I are friend. Tom and I are friend. Please close the door. Please close the door. He got a lot of money. He got a lot of money. Let's get off the bus. Let's get off the bus. He can read and write. He can read and write. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? How deep is the lake? How deep is the lake? I have to go now. I have to go now. May I speak to you? May I speak to you? Please shut the door. Please shut the door. I am afraid to go. I am afraid to go. I am trying to sleep. I am trying to sleep. The egg went bad. The egg went bad. Go and see who is it. Go and see who is it. I do like to watch TV. I do like to watch TV. He is fond of swimming. He is fond of swimming. How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? I am near the station. I am near the station. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. I paid him money. I paid him money. What is the problem? What is the problem? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? We must go to school. We must go to school. The car is very fast. The car is very fast. Where is the station? Where is the station?